Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be testing out in this video two brand new products from Benefit, and they're for your brows. So we've got Precisely My Brow Wax Full Pigment. We've got Precisely My Brow Detailer. This is a try-on video sponsored by Benefit. I've already had a play around with them and I really like them. If I thought they were absolutely rubbish, then I wouldn't be doing this video, because hopefully you know me by now. I would never say something is amazing if it's really crap. With these two, I've already got different shades on order. But after watching this video and you think, oh, actually, I'd like to try these, then Benefit do have an offer on their website at the moment. If you buy any two full-size products, not just these, anything off their website, if you buy two of them, you'll save 25% off if you use code SAVE25. So I'll put links to these down below in my description. I'll put a link to the Benefit website, plus I'll pop that code up as well. And I think they've got some other offers on their website. It could be like 15% off your first shop and things like that. So you'll find all of those details listed down below in my description. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's start off then with the Precisely My Brow Wax. This product is all about hold and colour that is bold. It retails for £26 and comes in 12 different shades. And I've got it in shade 3, which is a warm light brown. The brush is dual-sided for mess-free targeted application. You've got a flat side, which you brush up your brows, and then you've got the dome side to sculpt into shape. It provides rich colour with instant payoff, up to 12-hour wear, waterproof, sweat-proof, crunch-free, flake-free, contains shea butter, argan oil, jojoba seed oil, and rich in fatty acids to help condition the brows. Within the 12 shades available, you have a mix of cool, neutral, and warm tones. Now, you might be wondering, okay, what's the difference between this and the Gimme Brow? Well, the Gimme Brow has a smaller, tinier brush. It isn't as hard holding. It adds just a sheer tint and builds up your brows by adding microfibers. It's more natural for a subtle look as opposed to this. So let's see what it looks like on my brows. I'll zoom you in. Okay, so I've had my eyebrows microbladed. I had them done a few weeks ago. I wanted the microblading to look quite natural, so then I don't look odd when I don't wear any makeup. And then if I want to wear quite bold, dramatic makeup, then I can add in some eyebrow products to thicken up my brows and more so like create more of a darker outer corner. I've got a mirror here, so excuse me if I look down. Starting off with the flat side of the brush, I'm going to brush my hairs in an upright way just to coat them. Brushing down, this is just to really coat them, and then going through, picking up. I've got hardly any hair here, but what I love about this product is that it will pick up tiny little hairs that you can't see, you know, the little fluff hairs. I've got a few up there which I'll tidy up in a minute. So really coating the hairs. Then just brushing right up and creating the style. So this side of the brush flattens the hairs, and then turning it around. So just taking a cloth, just tidying up the underneath and the tops. Because it sticks to any little hairs, you might need to tidy it up afterwards. But you can see a big difference between this brow, which doesn't have anything on, and this brow. It's just darkened, thickened, and place my brows in place. Once this is dried down and set, then I can go in and fill in with a detailer if I want to. I'm thinking possibly a little bit under there, just to thicken up the outer corners there where I haven't got much hair to begin with. So that's the Precisely My Brow Wax. So let's get on to the Precisely My Brow Detailer. This is what it looks like. Now this comes in 6 shades. It retails for £22.50. You've got a spoolie on one end. You've got a 0.8 tip, which is the smallest tip of any brow pencil available. You twist it up and down. They recommend to only have a tiny bit of the nib showing because it's so fine, it's so small. If you were to twist too much out, you have a risk of it snapping. Draw some strokes. So I've got it in shade 3, which is a light warm brown. Give you an idea of what it looks like there. It provides natural looking, buildable and blendable brows. It's waterproof, smudge proof with up to 12-hour wear. Creates hair-like microfine lines and adds precise detail, dimension and depth to brows. For the best results, Benefit recommends you pair it with Precisely My Brow, the original, which still has a small tip but obviously bigger than the detailer. You create your look with a Precisely My Brow and then you go in with the detailer either in a lighter or darker shade just to add more depth and dimension to your brows. So yeah, so let's see what it's like on this eyebrow. Okay, let's start here. Just to extend my brows there. Filling in between the gaps of what's already there. I love that you can get a precise lines with this, especially in the front, which I find so difficult with other brow products. Hopefully you can see the difference between the two. With the Precisely My Brow wax, it is thicker and bolder. With the Precisely My Brow detailer, I've just gone in and filled it in very naturally in between the gaps of my eyebrows and the microblading, just to thicken up my eyebrow, but it still gives a very natural, fluffy look to my brows. I really like the fact that it's so easy just to draw the lines in the front there, as I mentioned, compared to other brow pencils. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I do think now that I've had my eyebrows microbladed, that number 3 is probably a little bit too light for me in the detailer. I do have a Precisely My Brow, not the detailer, the original, and they're number 3. So I think pairing that with one of these and a number 4 would be really nice. But yeah, if I'm going for a really bold makeup look, like a more laminated eyebrow look, then definitely the Precisely My Brow wax. The Full-pigment is really great. Quick and easy. Really quick and easy. My brows aren't budging. So it depends on what you're looking for your brows. You can use them both together or you can use them individually. If you've tried these, please let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear. And yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.